Oh, hello, my dear friends. I am Narendra and having 7 years of experience. In this 7 year, I attended 18 companies for interview, and in that 18 companies, I was selected in 13 companies. But I changed only 4 company in these 7 years because I cannot change my job in every 6 months. It is not good also. But this 50 set of SQL questions is very common in the 18 companies of interview. Remember, because after every interview I noted down all the question what interviewer asked me in that interview. So this is very important 50 SQL questions. So before going to any interview, just go through it and don't try to complete all this question in one day, because if you do this you will forget after one week, and I don't want you to read it again and again and again. So create your own plan of 2-3 days, read 5-10 question every day, think about that question whenever you are doing anything like walk, cooking, showering, anything. Just think what you read, what 5 question you read, and in this way you can complete all 50 question, but with proper confidence, in a good mood. So we can move in the next part. Okay friends, the very first question, what is SQL? Okay, one thing, you are going to learn database, okay, and you want to prepare interview question of SQL. So we have idea, database, it is nothing but who store data into it, and we have to find a way to see that data, to modify that data, to delete that data, to update that data. So that way we call it SQL. So SQL is a way from which we can play with database. Now our question, what is SQL? So SQL is nothing but a structured query language. It is used to perform DML tasks such as select, update and delete, insert, and it is basically used to communicate with database. As earlier I mentioned, it is basically used to communicate with database. So what is SQL? It is very simple. SQL is nothing but a structured query language. It is used to perform DML tasks such as select, update, delete and insert, and it is basically used to communicate with database. That's it. If you read this question 2-3 times more, you have a very good, very basic idea what is SQL. Okay, what is DBMS? Okay, so DBMS, it means database management system. The name indicates that it is something with management of database. Okay, now what management role? Management will check storage of data, modification of data, extraction information of data. So what is DBMS? A database management system is a collection of program that enables you to store, modify, extract information from a database. Remember, we are playing with data, and this all name, all terms, it just different things, but at the end we are playing with data. If there is data, what we will do with data? Either we store data, modify data, extract information from database. That's it. Database is nothing but a storage, and database management system is nothing but a modification, collection, extraction of that database. Okay, so last we repeat this question again. What is DBMS? Okay, a database management system is a collection of program that enable you to store, modify and extract information from a database, that is DBMS. Again, here is what is database. Okay, you read this question loudly. After that I will explain. Okay, done. Now I am going to read. What is database? A structured form of data which we can use for storing, retrieval, accessing and managing of data. That is database. That's it. You have a pot. In that pot you are storing something. The pot is nothing but a database. You have wallet. In wallet you have money, ATM card, credit card, cent, dollar, rupees, whatever. So that wallet is nothing but a database. If you want to take out some money from, you are retrieving money. Withdraw money from ATM, storing into wallet. It's nothing. Wallet is nothing but a database. Storing. That's it. If we know database, it means not everything, every data we will put in the database. For every data we need some kind of management. Okay, which data where go from, which data we will retrieve from where, etc and etc. That is table. Now from there table will be come into picture. What is table? It is a, you can say, smallest element in the database. That is table. And what is table? It is combination of row and columns. So you can define table in two ways. First, a element of database, and it is combination of rows and columns. That is table. What is join? Think about why we need join. Suppose if there is no join in your hand, can you do any work? No. For example, if you want to withdraw money from ATM machine, and when you want minimum statement, and bank will give you your home address, entire address, your name, age, everything in that minimum statement, you will frustrate. Okay, because you also need, my clothes will be here, my shoes will be here, my belt will be here, my pant will be here. And join when morning after shower you want everything, pant, shirt, belt, shoes, that everything join in you only. Same way in database also we have different tables, but if we want to retrieve entire data or entire details of anyone, then we need a join. So what is join? An SQL join clause is used to combine columns or row from two or more tables. Depend on the common field between two tables. Clear? What is join? SQL join clause is used to combine columns or row from two or more tables depend on the common field between two tables, that is join. It is nothing but a retrieving data from two or more tables. Okay, can you read it again? What is join? See, whatever you are reading, don't think about theoretical only. Think about practical. Join. From childhood we hearding this news, join. We have join in our hand, in our leg, neck, everything we have join. Suppose if there is no join, we are harder than robot. Okay, and join, from join we can retrieve data from number of tables. Okay, now we can move on next.